Hello, children, and welcome to our today's social class. So, children, you all remember that in our previous video we started the chapter of your book, The Northern Mountains. This is chapter number 2 of your book. We discussed in the previous video that the northern mountains include the Himalayan and the Karakoram mountain ranges and the Purvachal hill ranges. So, in our previous video, we discussed about the Himalayan ranges. Now we'll talk about the Purvachal hill ranges. So, children, the Purvachal hill ranges are in the northeast of India. They are also known as the northeastern hills. These hills are not very high. They are covered with thick forest. Basically, the Purvachal hill ranges include the northeastern states. We also call them Seven Sisters, namely the eastern part of Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and Meghalaya. Children, there is one thing which is common in all these states, that is farming and weaving. These two things are the main occupations of the people living here. But not only this, apart from farming and weaving, they are involved in a lot many more activities, or we can say the occupations. So children, let's see about the three states first today. They are Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland and Manipur. Let's see how these states have their life in the region. Let's start from the state of Arunachal Pradesh, which is famous for its fruit orchards. Fruit orchards are the farms where the fruits grow. And orchids. Orchid, as you all can see in the picture, is a very beautiful flower. Apart from this, some people also do wood carving. Do you know, children, what is wood carving? Wood carving are actually the creations which are made out of Kamsang or Naga wood here, which is processed using traditional tools like hammer, chisel, dowel machine. The wood used differs from tree to tree and depends on the size and age of the tree. And then they make out beautiful products after wood carving, as you all can see in these pictures. Apart from this, carpet weaving and making bamboo and cane products is also one of the main occupations. For tourist interest, children, Itanagar, which is the capital and the largest city of the Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh, and Zairo, which is also a very beautiful city. Also, it is a census town in Lower Sub-Nasiri district in the Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh. In a meeting of Archaeological Survey of India on 12th December 2002, it was shortlisted for inclusion in the tentative list for further nomination to UNESCO for inscription in the World Heritage Site. And another famous place is Tawan. Children, it is also a beautiful place. Let's see a small video to witness its magical beauty. let's come to Nagaland, the state which is very well famous for its Naga tribes. Apart from farming and weaving, wood carving and pottery are also some of the important occupations here too. The Nagas are the famous tribes of Nagaland. They wear a special type of dresses and they wear special kind of shawls, which shows that they are completely different from the other tribes. We can call them tribe of Nagaland or as the pride of Nagaland. On special occasions, they show the beautiful dances. They do the dances and enjoy thoroughly in their special occasions and festivals. If we talk about the famous places of tourist interest there, Kohima and Dimapur are the two most beautiful places which people go and visit. Now, let's come to the last state for today, that is Manipur, a very beautiful state which has also given us one of the most beautiful folk dances. And that is, yes, you all know, Manipuri dance. The state is actually more famous because of its beautiful Manipuri dance. But not only the Manipuri dance, the state is famous for a variety of things, for a variety of cultivation like the fruits such as lychees, papayas, passion fruit, walnuts, and chestnuts. Here also, craftsmen make articles from bamboo and cane. They make bamboo and cane products. Unlike other states, here the another production, that is of leather produces, is also as an occupation done here. And as all we know that Manipuri dance is a very popular and beautiful dance and graceful dance of Manipur. It is a famous folk dance. Now, if we look at the places of tourist interests, Imphal, which is the capital of Manipur and a state in northeastern India. It is a very beautiful place. On the Imphal River, Kangla Fort was once the seat of local rulers and now houses villages. On the south side of the centuries-old polo ground, Manipur State Museum has displays including tribal artifacts and a large royal boat. The another famous place for the tourist interest here is Ukhrul. Ukhrul or Hanphun is a town in the state of Manipur, India. Ukhrul is the home of the Tangkhul Naga. It is the administrative headquarters of the Ukhrul district. 4 subdivisions in the district for administering the villages in and around it. The villages, however, are governed by the village heads. So, these are the 2 beautiful places for tourist interest in Manipur. So, children, this was all for today for the Purvachal Hill Ranges, the 3 states we covered today. The rest of the 3 states we will be covering in the next video. Goodbye and take care.